Office mandates are quietly driving skilled workers to leave. Business leaders push for office returns to boost teamwork and productivity, but research by Dr. John Yang shows this may be costly. Top talent, especially experienced, skilled, and female employees, are leaving. Published in Management Science, the study urges companies to reconsider mandates due to significant impacts on company dynamics. The research scrutinized LinkedIn career transitions in tech and finance, noting a surge in resignations post-return to office mandates. Departing employees were mostly women, senior executives, or skilled individuals. Remote work improved flexibility, but office returns reduce autonomy, pushing many to seek more flexible jobs. Employee departures increased after return to office mandates, impacting skilled workers. Companies, seeking unity through office attendance, inadvertently drive staff to look elsewhere. Recruitment becomes difficult, with vacancies taking 25% longer to fill and costs rising as fewer candidates accept strict office roles. More women leave firms than men due to increased home duties and the need for better work-life balance through remote or hybrid roles. Senior roles or those with specialized skills also see resignations due to better opportunities. Dr. Yang's study shows office returns harm performance, innovation, and morale, making replacements difficult. Companies should reconsider full office returns to avoid drawbacks that may alienate key contributors. Flexible work options, while popular with employees, can also be a prudent business strategy.